Here I've got General Mobile GM8 Go, and let me show you how to perform a hard reset through the settings on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to scroll down to the very bottom of the list and open System. Now let's go to Reset option and select Erase all data, so that means factory reset. And if you truly want to remove all data from your internal storage like Google account, system and app data, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data, click on Reset Phone. And confirm it one more time because this operation cannot be undone by tapping on Reset, Erase Everything. And now you just have to patiently wait until it's done. Your device will automatically wipe all data from its internal storage, and then you will be able to set it up as a new one. That's it. Now you can set your device as a new one. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.